price of Bitcoin right now is pumping again, and it has just crossed its all-time high. It just made its new all-time high. Solana is also pumping towards the upside, but something weird is happening right now, and in the whole crypto market everyone is worried. I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and please ignore the background noise. Right now I'm in my college, pathetic place, and please just ignore the background noise. So first of all, Bitcoin's price has just crossed the all-time high, and I told you all it will get manipulated. The price is getting manipulated right over here, because according to real price action, according to organic price action, price of Bitcoin has to dump a little bit or show some kind of a consolidation. But as you can see, today's candle, 20th January, literally no volume at all. Still the price has crossed the all-time high. It is getting manipulated, that's why. Also one more thing, in just few hours it is Trump's inauguration, and that's why the price of Bitcoin is pumping, hoping that Trump will say something about Bitcoin and it will pump. But obviously he himself has created his own meme coin, and if you visit the website of that meme coin, it literally says it has no direct relation with politics or it does not have any intrinsic value at all. Basically, on their website they stated that this meme coin is not related at all with Trump or politics or nothing. It is just the name is being used. Obviously this is all fake and false. Only 10% supply is available to normal people, rest 80% is with the team, and the rest 90% the 10% is in the liquidity. And obviously the 80% of the supply will be used by Trump himself, his team, and this supply will be sent to exchanges. Centralized exchanges will be benefiting from this supply. And basically, and most important thing is, all this money is coming from the foreign investments. The price that you see pumping, obviously it is because of retail greed, but also foreign investments are coming in. So you know the dark reality behind that meme coin from Trump. So don't regret that you missed that meme coin, because just wait, now there will be a lot more opportunities, but obviously don't gamble at all. So about Bitcoin right now, and it is at the new all-time high at $109,000 level. Right now I'm not taking any trade, obviously, because I can't just go short on Bitcoin right now, because it is already getting manipulated, and going long right here is just foolishness. So it's better for me to wait right now. Also about Ethereum, I hope you remember this Ethereum short trade that I entered in a short position at approx 17th of January. Right over here I entered in a short position on Ethereum, which went pretty well exactly till my take profit. So after this trade has been executed, done profitably, and it is closed right now. Right now the price of Ethereum is again pumping towards the upside, basically a fake out. I believe that from here the price of Ethereum can pump towards the upside, because obviously see, Bitcoin is pumping, it has crossed its all-time high. So many high chances that Ethereum will also get manipulated and will be pumped towards the upside. Also one more thing, I hope you can clearly see, price of Ethereum was in a downtrend. You can see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this was the last lower high. After this there has to be a lower low, but no lower low has been made. Price is giving a fake out. Price did a breakout of this important white support and resistance zone, but now price is again getting inside it, which is called as fake out. So all these short traders that were planning to go short here are now getting wrecked. Well, pretty bad for them. However, I may go long on Ethereum, but obviously it will be very risky, because right now taking every trade is risky, because the market is getting manipulated a lot. So but I believe that the overall downtrend is now over, because a new uptrend has started. You can clearly see low, higher high, higher low. Maybe this is a new higher low, and the price can go towards the upside from here. Let's see. I will inform you guys on my Twitter, and will definitely make a video if I go long or anything interesting I see on the Ethereum chart. Solana right now, and what a interesting price movement. If you have watched my yesterday's video, and not yesterday's but a day before yesterday, I will pin it right over here. And if you have watched that video, you already know I entered in a long position on Solana, and I entered long over here because of this important support zone. This white box that you can see, it is a very important support for Solana from 168 approx to 177. So I entered in a long position. My first take profit was somewhat over here at 220, and after this take profit I booked some of my trade and kept the rest of the trade running. And as you can clearly see, as soon as Trump launched his own meme coin on Solana blockchain, the price of Solana, the native crypto of the Sol blockchain, pumped towards the upside. It was not expected to be pumped, because obviously, as you can see, these three candles, they are already struggling, but thanks to Trump, I would say, the price pumped towards the upside. And I did mention in my video that price of Solana right now is at its all-time high, and my trailing stop loss is somewhat over here at this price, 242, 243 approx. This is my trailing stop loss right over here. And I said that this is not the right time for me to enter in a long position again, nor enter in a short position. It's better to focus on my existing long position that I entered here. And exactly that thing happened. People who went long on Solana due to greediness got wrecked in this candle today, right over here. They all got liquidated, and those who went short, they also got liquidated when the price of Solana went all the way up till $293. So overall, both of them got wrecked, long and short. Many few people succeeded in this trade, and including me as well, because I entered in a long position at 178 and my trailing stop loss was here. So even if my stop loss is now triggered, I'm out of this trade, but I'm out with good decent profits. So right now nothing much in Solana. I will wait for a good trade to enter. I can't go short right now because obviously Bitcoin is getting manipulated due to Trump, and that follows with Ethereum, and Ethereum follows if Ethereum gets manipulated, then altcoins get manipulated too. So nothing much right now on Solana, and I'll inform you guys if I take a trade, but right now nothing. This was a good successful trade, so let's just wait, have some patience for the next setup that I'll see, and I'll inform you guys whenever I take a trade. Do not copy trade me, instead learn how I manage my trade, how I enter, how I close my trade. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand my main analysis behind Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. I'm not taking any trade in Bitcoin right now. There is no point for me of taking any trade. There are no levels to take a trade. Also, it is getting manipulated. I may take a trade on Ethereum, but it will be very risky. Let's see how that goes. And on Solana, I had a successful trade. Now I'll just wait for the next setup to form. Let's see what happens, and I'll inform you guys on my Twitter. Sorry for the background noise again. So stay tuned, and if you want to trade any crypto you want, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can create an account for free, or else you can just create an account on any exchange you want. Just go to search browser, but do not be scammed at all. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.